Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss the last topic of the index number. Dear students, today we will discuss index number of industrial product. Dear students, under these we are apply the formula P01 is equal to summation RW divided by summation W. So dear students, under these R is a ratio between current year quantity and current year quantity and base year quantity into 100. Clear? So the quantity of base year is given in the question, quantity of current year is given, weight is given. First of all we will find out R is equal to Q1 divided by Q0 into 100. After that R multiply with weight, and the summation of RW and the summation of W both put in the formula, then question will be solved. Clear beta? See the formula. See guys, index number of industrial product, the formula summation RW divided by summation W. R is equal to Q1 divided by Q0 into 100. So dear student, that's your question. That's your goods is given like A, B and C. Output is given Q0. Base year like 80, 120 and 200. Q1 quantity current year $60, 200 and 300. That's your W. Weight $10, 80 or 10. First of all we will add the whole weight. Summation W is equal to 80, 10, 90, 10, 100. After that we will find out RW. We will find out R. The formula Q1 divided by Q0 into 100. Clear? We will find out R. The formula Q1 divided by Q0 into 100. So Q1 is 60 divided by 80 into 100 equal to 120. Next one, 200 divided by 120 into 100 equal to 166.67. Next one, 300 divided by 200 into 100 equal to 150. After that we will find out RW. R multiply with W. 10 into 120 is equal to 1200. 166.67 into 80 equal to 13333.6. 150 into 10 is equal to 1500. That's summation RW equal to 0.633061. After that we will apply the formula. P01 industrial production. Summation RW divided by summation W equal to summation RW 16033.6 divided by summation W 100. So P01 equal to 160.336. That's your answer. See once again. Now we are discuss index number of industrial production. Formula summation RW divided by summation W. R equal to Q1 divided by Q0 into 100. Q1 current year quantity, Q0 base year quantity. In the question is given base year quantity Q0, current year quantity Q1 and weight. First of all we will add the all weight, it is equal to summation W. After that we will find out R, it is a ratio between Q1 and Q0 into 100. So that's your Q1 Q0 into 100 equal to 120. 200 divided by 120 equal to 100 equal to 166.67. 300 divided by 200 into 100 will be equal to 150. That's your R. And after that R multiply with W. 120 into 10 1200. 166.67 into 80 is equal to 1333. 13,300.6. 150 into 10 equal to 1500, and that's your summation RW 16033.6. The both value put on this formula. P01 equal to industrial production. P01 it shows index number. Industrial production equal to summation RW divided by summation W. P01 equal to summation RW 16033.6 easy summation W 100. 16633.6 divided by 100 will be equal to 160.336. That's your answer. Clear beta? So in this question when you will find out industrial index number, then you will find out R, and it is a ratio Q1 divided by Q into 100. And after that R multiply with W, then question will be solved out. Clear beta? So that's your chapter is finished. In the chapter, if you have any doubt, then you can take any doubt immediately, and you will solve out all the questions on your fair copy, and you will also complete your fair copy, and you also shows your attendance in your group. It is mandatory beta. Clear? I am sending some questions to you. You will solve out the all questions and solve out on your fair copy. Clear? Thank you very much beta.